Alright, I purchased this new wallet. It comes in like a little gift box to replace this older one that I've had for a while. It's just a little beat up, and you can see it still works. It's got the little thing on it, but just time for a new one, I think. The AirTag's kind of worn down, but anyway, it comes in this little box. I'm gonna unwrap it. It has a little QR code there you can scan and get some information on it, but I'm gonna unwrap it and open it up. Alright, here's the unboxing. I took the plastic wrap off and we'll open it up, and here's what's inside. Just some little information on it, looks like. Let's see here, yep, information on how to install the AirTag. And then we have it all nicely wrapped here. Let's figure that out. Strap for money if you want to use that. And then here's obviously the major product here. All right, here it is unwrapped. You can see it's got a little screwdriver here. And I'm sure there's going to be some screws and stuff in here, so I can pop in that AirTag and put it in there. And here's the other side. And it looks like, once you put your cards in, you'll be able to push them up, much like my older one here, where you can just push it up. It's pretty sturdy, like carbon fiber. Looks pretty good. I'm sure that's to hold the AirTag in place once you get it in. So let's go ahead and do the AirTag. So I've opened it up, and here's the little AirTag holder. And it has some little screws that came with, two tiny ones. I never use my glasses to even look at them, but that's why you have this guy. And we're gonna open it up, put the AirTag in, and then it'll pop in here. And then we should be ready to go. This is what they call a repair kit, and so it tells you what's in there. Some more screws, an elastic band, if you wanted to, I guess. Perhaps not use this little clip. Not so sure, but it looks like there is an elastic band right there, so that's right there, the elastic band. So if you wanted to replace that, or you had to replace that, then you could. So that's what holds it, the elastic band right there. Alright, so I took my AirTag and then just popped these, opened this up and then popped them, and they snapped when you do it. And so then we gotta put the little screws in here now. Obviously, this used to have a little Apple symbol on it, but it's nice and worn down, but it still works, so I'm not replacing it just yet. But then it'll go in here. I was just gonna note before I put it in this little thing, you can barely see that little part right there. When you move it down, it opens up so that it'll snap into that AirTag holder. So the bag comes with 7 of these little screws, 3 extras, and these 4 here that I'm about to put into that location there. So here's the AirTag in place. I did these guys, and there's a groove on each side. So I'm gonna go in from the top here and push it in the top. And you can see it's not quite in, but we'll pull this back and pop it down, and that'll make it be secure. There you go. You can see it's in there now. All right, so let's put the cards in, and we'll see it all together. But it's pretty sturdy. It doesn't weigh that much, but got a little AirTag ready to go, and again, once we have the cards in, we'll be able to just slide them up that way. All right, here we go, cards in place. I'm starting with 7 cards. It could easily hold more, but you can see that little band that if you ever had to replace it, I'm sure that the QR code can show you how to do that, but yeah, there it is, all in place. And I'll just keep all the extra stuff in here. Again, that was my old one, but yeah, I like them like this instead of the big billfolds you used to wear, but you can push up right here and access the cards. That's my Washington ID, that's where I'm at. And a little clip for money here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Nice, sturdy, definitely sturdy thing, and good looking too. So if you have any comments, question below, and please subscribe. I'll put the Amazon link for this if you're looking to purchase yourself one, because again, you know what it all comes with. Real quick FYI, you can remove this clip. I just took off all the little screws there. Okay, you can open it up, and then you got your little strap here. basically taking it apart. But if you want to not have that on there, you can take it off. It still opens and can hold stuff in here. And technically, I guess you could just carry it around like this, but it might not look so cool. But if you just wanted to have the back on without the clip, which I might do because I think that's going to be a pain in my pocket. I'll try it without the clip. I don't really carry a lot of cash with me, so it's normally cards nowadays, right? So I'll try it without the clip. Okay, I took the clip off, and for my purposes, I think that's going to work fine because that clip, I can just lay it flat, right? The clip on there, it's it's a little off. But if you want the clip to hold money, then you can do that there. Otherwise, you can just hold your cards, which is what I'm going to prefer to do there. And I did scan that QR code I'll show right here. What it shows, just information. It holds up to 15